Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tasks into simple, straightforward steps. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to delete your Rakuten account. Whether you're looking to declutter your online presence, switch to another shopping platform, or just take a break from e-commerce, this guide will walk you through the process quickly and safely. Rakuten is a popular site for deals and cashback, but sometimes you need to say goodbye. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Rakuten account. Open your web browser, head to the Rakuten website, and enter your username and password. If you can't remember your login details, you might need to reset your password first. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or username in the top right corner of the page. From there, select Account Settings, or something similar. It might be labeled as Profile or Manage Account. Look around for a section called Privacy, Account Management, or directly Delete Account. Rakuten might have it under a Help or Support menu, so don't panic if it's not immediately obvious. When you find the Delete option, click on it. You'll likely be asked to confirm your decision. Rakuten wants to make sure you're not accidentally wiping your account. Read any warnings carefully. They might mention that this action is permanent and could delete your purchase history or rewards. If you're okay with that, proceed by entering your password again or following the on-screen prompts. After confirmation, Rakuten should process the request. You might receive an email confirmation, so keep an eye on your inbox. And just like that, your account is deleted. One quick tip. Before you do this, double-check if there are any ongoing orders or unused rewards you want to handle first. There you have it. That's how to delete your Rakuten account in a few simple steps. If you run into any issues, Rakuten's customer support is usually helpful, or you can check their help center online. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.